The dropshipping industry continues to grow, and 2025 presents incredible opportunities for entrepreneurs looking to make big money. To succeed, you need to implement smart strategies, adapt to market trends, and optimize your operations. 1. Choose the right niche. A profitable niche has high demand, low competition, and potential for brand loyalty. Focus on products related to health, technology, and sustainability. Choose niches with a dedicated following. 2. Optimize your store for conversions. A well-designed store turns visitors into buyers. Ensure quick load times across devices and include clear call to actions to guide visitors toward purchases. 3. Leverage social media advertising. Use platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram to drive traffic. 4. Automate your business. Free up time by automating tasks like order fulfillment and email marketing. 5. Focus on customer retention. Repeat customers are crucial for profitability. Offer loyalty programs and engage customers through personalized email and SMS offers. 6. Implement upselling and cross-selling. Increase your average order value and revenue. 7. Expand to new markets. Expanding internationally opens new revenue streams based on global shipping and localization. 8. Collaborate with influencers. Work with micro-influencers and establish affiliate programs. 9. Continuously analyze and optimize. Monitor performance and adjust strategies regularly using analytics tools. 10. Build a brand, not just a store. Create a memorable brand for long-term success with strong identity and relationships. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your business thrive.